Okay, okay. Good evening. Thank you for opportunity, and we will we will presentation about uh, text clustering from Sian Indonesia web scraping data using NLDB PySpark from big data. This is our panel examination from big data, and the next slide is this is our member, and we will we just two people. Yes, my name is Saufi Azuddin with student ID F1D0 22097, and my partner is Nengah Yoga Pramana. This is our content. I will just explain with explain pro. Please explain Nengah Yoga Pramana.
Yeah, I'm here some for the contents. Number one, the red data, two process text, three tokens, and four async TF, the five the clustering keymaps, uh, six content feature, the seven still order support. The next slide. Next slide. Okay. The next slide explains code. Next code. Okay. The first the encode install PySpark. The next the code from PySpark SQL import section is used to uh, import the section class uh, which serve as the primary entry point for using PySpark features. Uh, the next uh, the code import JSON issues for with data in GS on for from search reading or creating JSON data while import OS is used to account operating system functions such as managing file directories of improvement variable both uh, area built-in Python modules commonly used together in application the request just data manipulation and file system management. The the next code the just JSON file that gets its part content drive, uh, drive, my drive, collab, the name code, big data, RTGNN, JSON. Terus uh, the if the file found the program will print file ditemukan atau file false. Well, if the file is not found in the will print file not found. This file not found. Please check the part. There is uh, useful to use the required file presence before recording with further processes. The next code, uh, the code starts back with specific configuration. The reps JSON file record at the specific part using Spark red JSON with the multi-line and true option. The code ensures that the JSON file with more than one line per object are correctly read on the data loaded into an data frame. The code display the scan of the data using data print scan to show column structure and display the first five row using data show five registered and false without tracking the columns that are too long. This allow the user to inspect the data that has been read by Pax. The next uh, code read JSON file using pandas and convert into data frame. The cleaning function uh, clean text in updates to the article context and title columns. The remove escape character so as new line. Key return and tab. Af- Afterward, only the title and article context cleaned. Column area rated net while other columns are removed. Finally, the result is displayed. Use print the heat which show the first five row of the cleaning and the processor data frame. And the next plot in OP, next the in connect code OP.
Okay, I will explain the next cell from Python is our code in the big data. So I want to tell you about this is a way we use from PySpark in the future. And import tokenizer stock with macro because this is to clustering data. It means I first to explain what is why we uh, why we include the big data to the drive because in the my password is not it's too long to compile the code. So we will using Google Colab to run the program. So we first we convert the file big data article CNN. This article CNN it means article CNN which mean new international to convert to the JSON. This is we use MongoDB in the last excitement is midterm test midterm excitement. So we use MongoDB and the read the article CNN. This is the one. And the next shell is to this is to we after we pre-processing text. I read the data and pre-processing text. Read the text. So um, we we used to the path content drive migrate collab big data arc JSON, and this is a code. If you not we must to trust a column clean title. Is any there? And if that so if data in data columns from Facebook SQL function import regex replace lower code. So this is the code from Facebook SQL function to to convert the token and in to convert the it means this is maybe we call the title Hizbullah masih bagikan pagar baru sebelum ledakan maut di Lebanon. This is to convert the tokens, so it means we get per word is Hizbullah is masih and bagikan and then so is tokens it means to split text will be token, yeah, and with from the title to article content and remove a top word remove it means to 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 stop word is to transport data to filter tokens and showing the display the result. is the top title, tokens, and tokens. With the five rows is the five rows and the five title. And the next slide is hashing. So hashing is to convert the text to a vector. The vector in the hashing. Um, we use we use a hashing TF, feature hashing TF, and IDF. IDF is inverse document frequency. It means to give a bobot. It means yeah, bobot with the is the interesting, is the important word and from a document. Hashing frequency TF, hashing hashing same frequency or hashing TF. It's meant to transform tab into the data frame. Yeah, this is hashing tab, which means a filter tokens, new features, number features with the 10,000 is this the long of vector from a dimension feature, and the data select is filter tokens and the feature. This is filter tokens is bulwa. It means 1,000 and hampir is 1,000 and serangan is 1,000 and the the words the any word. And the next file is from PageSpark SQL frequention, SQL functions, import regex and tokenizer and support simulper, confactorizer, and this is our the new library. It means to clustering the title. It means to with the pipeline. Um, okay, and pipeline is to merge as the any step information from a tokenizer, stopwatch, remover, and vectorizer to become a one step work. So this is a file path. We use a file path to read the file path JSON from data frame Spark, and use of course we use to processing text to normalization, is to clean it, and tokenization, and use a confactorizer to convert token to the vector feature, and make paperless to to arrange the term of information, and and we use Preparian to the data, and we make a model model is meant to cluster the features. Yes, cluster the features with the case tree, and and k equals 3. It means to to count the cluster to become a tree cluster, and filter data. It means with 10 rows. That's only showing the rows. So the title is first title is cluster to 0, and this is cluster in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the 5 type, the title in the fifth title is cluster to 2. That's it. Cluster second, and the 7 is 7 title is 2, and the last title is to cluster into. So the next cell is from PySpark ML evaluation clustering evaluator. Okay, uh, this is our library. Yes. Clustering clustering evaluator. It means to model to evaluation the PySpark to use to get to get a grade from performa of model clustering. So this is the solid score. We get the score is 1.0.03, and so it means it's a low score from our clustering. So the good score is mean from 0.5. Yes, 0.5 is a good score, but it's a lower from the model of clustering. And the next cell is to save the data clustering from output cluster CSV. Uh, clustering. And okay, and the next cell is to read the article per cluster, and this is make a three content from article content and title to get a cluster. This is the result cluster 120 with the count one is count 337 4155 59, and the cluster 0 is 40,884. This is title, which means three cluster. This is title is bulk. Yeah, this start is made one cluster, one cluster with one cluster with five rows. Yeah. Sorry, this is article content is just still the n in the, because uh, it's not for processing text is not good to get the article content. And this is data select, so article content is yeah, just showing the article content. Yeah, this is article content from the before slide before cells. And the data frame scan is our uh, content in the article. This is ID, article content, author, crawling edge, click edge, HTML content, title, URL, tokens, element, token tokens, and features and cluster. And then Excel is to get Excel column. It's just to read the article content, and the tokenizer is the is mean uh, to get article content again from the words data with words, and CV counter prediction to get the word in the with the in, to get the words from the feature. And this is the last, because this is the last cell is uh, to get a to get a pipeline to run the pipeline. This is the last data with column is critical content with cache string, and feature with a control variable and the pipeline, and to run pipeline, and of course, and get the result. This is the result article content with the uh, with the count features. This is count features from the content. Yeah, can be, yeah. So this is the same code in the paper code. So it just our presentation, and I will back to uh, PowerPoint. Okay, this is one question we will to explain with by yoga. Please.
Uh, Thank you. And we add the next calculation in this notebook contains steps for big data analysis using PySpark, starting from the installation of of liber- library to the installation of Spark caches for processing JSON data. The process begins with loading data from JSON file, ensuring the files has a sentence and contains with Spark configuration for text analysis or data clustering, where approach the the notebook is designed to handle data efficiently and at legal scale, reflecting the practical application of Spark-based analytics in big data scenarios. And next slide, Obi.
And this is our slide. Is thank you for the presentation. I will start with my partner. And thank you for Wira, Mrs. Mr. Wira, to become our uh, teacher in the uh, college. In the with the subject is big data. This is our final excitement and good evening.
Definitely. Thank you.